water, call it mission finding Nemo. It could go as long as you go, easy like a free throw. Hot, fuego, I mean you go. So glad you understanding, my schedule demanding. So baby girl, let's get it in, cause time is of the essence. Got the body of a goddess, and your kisses are a blessing. I be the teacher, anatomy's the lesson. Tonight don't think, just drink up. Let's talk more, drink up, drink up. And when I get you to my room, I'ma beat it like a drum.
Hi Curlfriends, NaturallyRonda here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is wash day, and first let me please apologize if my voice sounds any nasally or if you hear the congestion in my voice. I'm getting over a cold, but the show must go on, so I'm here and I'm filming for y'all. But today is wash day, and today I decided to pair Creme of Nature's from their Pure Honey line, their Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator, with my fave Wetline Xtreme Gel. Now, I've tried this curl activator before, but I tried it by itself and it gave me a fluffier wash and go. So I figure if I pair it with Wetline, I can get more of the definition I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna get right into it. So my hair is already washed, shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and detangled. But I've had my hair up in that slap cap, the satin lined cap, for quite some time, so I'm definitely going to need to wet my hair first. First things first, I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy spray bottle of water. Okay, now I'm gonna take this curl activator and I'm going in with about this much. Gonna go in with a little bit more. Now I'm gonna subsection my hair and go in with the gel. So these products are really weighing my hair down the way I like. I'm not surprised. So I'm gonna continue with the rest of my sections and subsections, and I'll be back when it's all in.
Baby girl, we just have a little fun. We just have a little fun. I ain't tryna be rude, I just wanna be with you. Get the crib and act a fool, keep it secret what we do. Just have a little fun. We just have a little fun. You can exit at the bar, you can start with a massage. You got me getting wild and I'm having the menage. Just have a little fun. I'm feeling hotter than average.
So the product is pretty much all in. I'm just doing my last few extra touches now. And I'm gonna go sit under my hooded dryer and I'll be back when it's dry. But before I get under the dryer, I'm just gonna spritz my hair with some of this Creme of Nature Pure Honey Silicone-Free Lightweight Shine Mist. I like to add a mist over my wash and go before I get under the dryer, just to give a little added shine to it. All right, that's good. All right, so I am back. My hair is maybe about 90% dry right now, but these are my finished results.
Model, then I spit her some manic shit. Take the sky high, she be thinking of cannabis. Crown got a loose, so she asks me, can I handle all this mentally? You came with your girls and they haven't sent. Cool, cause my crew real crazy and devilish. It's the spread, come and get it, and you know he's owning. And you ain't going home, just staying over till the morning. Tonight, don't think, just drink up. Let's talk.
So I do like the Creme of Nature Curl Activator a lot better when I paired it with my Wetline Xtreme gel. So that's about it for this Wash and Go Wednesday. I love you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Drink up, drink